Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making videos on this book. And friends, as I say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you can understand in a better way. Apart from seeing first video, then 18 video, then 24th video, then 56th video, you can get confused. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. ABHIMANYU BHA TTACHARJEE 1906. Okay. So, in our last video, I have covered the topic called why is reincarnation necessary? Why can't we rise spiritually in the spirit world itself? So, this was the topic. And in today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called in what way are earth children in touch with the spirit world? So, this topic I'm going to cover. Okay. So, friends, I will start. And this is going to be our 106th video, friends. Okay, so I will start. In what way are the earth children in touch with the spirit world? A child in the mother's womb is very much in touch with the spirit world. So Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshat Bhavnagri that whenever a child is in the womb of the mother, he is in very much touch with the spirit world. During that time, if the child feels that the situation might hamper his spiritual growth, he can return to the spirit world and another soul may occupy the baby's body. So, for example, if a soul feels that coming to this mother can hamper his or her spiritual development, that soul can immediately go for the exit and immediately leave the body, and another soul from the spirit world will come and acquire the body. Just because the child no longer needs the mother, that does not mean the mother will have a stillborn baby. So this is very important. Nature have decided this thing that if, for example, a child have decided that I no longer need this mother, so that doesn't mean that mother is going to have a stillborn baby. So another soul comes and acquire the place of that mother in of that mother womb. If that is not her karma, another soul will occupy the child's body. If the mother, it is not the karma of the mother, right? So other soul will come and occupy the body of the child and come into existence. It is important to understand that a child in the womb is very receptive because the subconscious mind is open. Yeah, this is very important. So it is very important for us to understand that the child who is staying in the mother's body is very receptive because his or her subconscious mind is completely open. That child is in still touch with the spirit world and is observing the parents' action. So the child is in 100% and very much touch with the spirit world, and he is observing what are the action of his parents. Each and every action is observing. He or she is observing. Be positive and content, and allow nothing negative to come to the child. So we should always be positive and content, so that no negative thing should come or should come to the child. When you go through sorrow, for example, your child absorb that energy. Means for example, a mother is going to sorrow, a child is going to absorb that energy. The child is very sensitive to the mother's thought and feeling. So child can easily make understand what mother is feeling, what are the thought of the mother, each and everything. If you are constantly negative and on the wrong path, the child, being a good soul, may return to the spirit world, and another one that is spiritually lower may take its place. So, if the child is spiritually awakened and on a spiritual, on a higher dimension, so that child can easily leave the body, and the soul who is spiritually low can acquire the body of that child. If no soul if no soul comes, the child will be stillborn. So if no soul comes to that body, then the child will be stillborn, right? The child will be dead, dead child will be born. The child remain in touch with the spirit world after it is born. So until it start to speak. So this is a very interesting point. Up to the moment the child doesn't learn to speak, he is completely in touch with the spirit world. After that, the subconscious mind no longer allow the physical mind to have any memories of the spirit world. So after a certain period of time, subconscious mind doesn't allow the physical mind of a child to have the memories of the spirit world. So friends, this topic came to an end. So in our today's topic, I have covered the topic concept called in what ways are the spirit in touch with the spirit world? In what way are earth children in touch with the spirit world? Okay, this topic. In our next video, I'm going to cover the topic called after we start speaking, are all ties with the spirit world cut off? So this topic I'm going to cover. Okay, friends, so this topic came to an end. As I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, friends. Okay, and this was a 106 number video. So what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Because many a time what happens, if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4, you can understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing one video, then 25th video, then 86th video, you will get confused. And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, this bring to end of today's video. And till then, goodbye. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, take care, and let us all do good karma in our life. And one day we all will come in the spirit world, and you will be saying, yes, I used to see your videos, and today we are in the spirit world, and we all will celebrate and do party in the spirit world. Okay. And friends, if you want to connect with me directly, you can connect with me on Instagram, or you can mail me. My email ID is abhimanyu1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906. This will be my email ID. And my Instagram handle is abhimanyu1906. I will spell it for you. ABHIMANYUBHATTACHARJE1906. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do read all the comments and I give reply to all of your comments. And you can do one thing, you can directly message me on Instagram. So I see my all messages, and I give reply to each and every person those who have any doubts or replies in regards to the topic which I am covering today. Okay friends, so this brings to end of today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care friends, goodbye.